Hello friends, this is Ishan. Today we are going to discuss the topic Android versus iOS. Which is better? I would speak in favor of Android devices.
Hey guys, I am Kajal. I am going to speak in favor of iOS devices.
Hi friends, I am Nirja. I will support Android devices.
Hey folks, this is Rohit. I will support iOS devices.
Android supports expandable storage with microSD cards. Many Android phones have dual SIM options. Android also allows users to install apps from outside the Play Store. Google Assistant is fully integrated with Android. Android phones offer different sizes and features to suit all needs. Android offers more customization options. There are many affordable Android phones available. There is a wide range of device options available in Android. Users can easily change the settings and personalize their phones. There is a huge selection of apps available in the Google Play Store. Android's interface is highly customizable with widgets. Android supports more types of file transfers than iOS. Many Android devices support fast charging and high battery capacity. Android has open-source software, which gives developers greater access. Users can easily change default apps in Android.
The iOS interface is simple and easy to use. There is a special focus on privacy protection in iOS devices. iOS works well with other Apple products, such as MacBooks. iOS apps are optimized for performance on Apple devices. The iPhone's camera quality is consistent and reliable. iOS offers a smooth and seamless user experience. Apple's App Store has a ton of high-quality apps. iOS is highly secure against viruses and malware. Apple's customer support for iOS users is excellent. iOS devices receive software updates regularly. iOS supports the popular video calling feature called FaceTime. iPhones tend to hold their value better on resale. The iOS ecosystem is well integrated across devices. iOS provides a high level of encryption for data security. Apple Siri is integrated into all iOS devices.
Some Android devices offer better camera flexibility. Android phones often have a variety of hardware options. Many Android apps are downloadable for free. Android allows users to split their screen for multitasking. Android offers more options for home screen customization. Users have the freedom to install custom ROMs on Android. Android devices offer a wide price range to suit every budget. Most Android devices come with fast charging technology. Android is a great choice for tech-savvy users who like control. Android offers easy file sharing across various platforms. Android devices generally support more file formats. The number of Android devices with high-resolution displays is increasing. There are different brands of Android phones available all over the world. Android updates are available on many older devices. Google services are deeply integrated into Android.
Apple's iOS also has a similar design language. iOS is widely used for its user-friendly design. iPhones have excellent support for high-quality games. Apple's iOS is designed to be compatible with each new device. iOS has better accessibility options for all users. iOS has less bloatware than many Android devices. iOS devices often have better app performance. The build and design of the iPhones are of high quality. iOS updates are released simultaneously to all supported devices. iOS devices are known for their fast performance. iOS integrates seamlessly with Apple's iCloud service. iPhones are popular for their reliable hardware. iOS prioritizes user privacy in its apps. iOS is known for its reliable and responsive software. iOS has a strong community of developers and users.
iOS updates can make older devices slower. iOS devices are generally more expensive. iOS does not allow the installation of apps from outside the App Store. Not all file types are supported on iOS. The iPhone doesn't allow you to easily change default apps. iPhones lack a variety of hardware options. iOS doesn't allow as much customization as Android. iPhones lack expandable storage options. Only Apple makes iOS devices, which limits the options. iOS devices don't widely support dual SIM options. iOS devices don't offer split-screen multitasking on all models. iPhones often require Apple-specific accessories. The iOS interface changes more slowly than Android. iOS apps are often more expensive than Android apps. Apple controls the app approval process and limits the options.
Many Android phones do not offer consistent customer support. Android battery life may vary between devices. Some users find the Android interface complicated. Android devices may lack premium build quality. Android's frequent updates can be confusing for some users. App developers may prefer iOS over Android. Customizing Android may require more technical knowledge. Not all Android devices support the latest software features. Android devices have a short update lifespan. Some Android devices have trouble multitasking. Excessive optimization can slow down Android devices. The Android user interface can be less intuitive. Android lacks integration with any specific hardware brands. Not all Android devices have high-quality hardware. Android devices have a less unified design.
iOS lacks widgets and custom launchers. iPhones do not support different price ranges. iOS is less compatible with non-Apple devices. Some users find iOS's closed system restrictive. iOS requires iTunes for some file transfers. iPhones do not support third-party app stores. iOS lacks customizable options for appearance. iPhones lack hardware features such as stylus support. iOS requires an Apple ID for most activities. iOS devices might not be the best choice for budget-conscious users. iOS doesn't support older models for as long as Android does. iPhones do not allow users to change themes. iOS is less flexible for developers and power users. iOS doesn't support multiple user accounts. Apple's closed ecosystem limits file sharing with non-Apple devices.
Some Android devices are more prone to malware. The quality of apps on the Android Play Store can be inconsistent. The open-source nature of Android can create security issues. Older Android devices may not support the new software. Android devices often have fragmented software versions. Android updates are often delayed for some devices. Many Android devices come with pre-installed bloatware. The quality of Android devices can vary widely. The user experience in Android can be less consistent. Security updates on Android can be slow. Many Android devices lack Apple-like customer support. Some Android devices have battery performance issues. Android apps may not be as optimized as iOS apps. The camera quality of Android phones can vary. There are high chances of fake apps on Google Play Store.
Hope you like our discussion. Please comment and let us know if you think we should add some other important points that we may have missed.
Also, if you want us to cover any group discussion topic, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet.
Please stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye. Take care.